Sterling Heights homeowners, it's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I just listed your neighbor's property on 2688 Avis. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to 2688 Avis Drive in Sterling Heights. This spacious 2,228 square foot home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a large covered front porch. Perfect for relaxing and welcoming guests. Step into the bright and airy living room where natural light pours in through the beautiful bay window. A formal dining area complements the eat-in kitchen, which overlooks the family room, ideal for entertaining or everyday living. Convenient first floor laundry helps keep chores organized and separate from your main living space. 2 separate living areas provide flexibility for hosting gatherings or enjoying quiet time by the cozy fireplace. The home also offers an oversized 2.5 car garage, offering ample space for vehicles, storage, or hobbies. A first floor bath adds everyday convenience for guests and family. Upstairs, you'll find 4 generously sized bedrooms, all equipped with ceiling fans for added comfort. The primary suite includes a private ensuite bath, your personal retreat. Each bedroom offers extra large closets, perfect for anyone with expansive wardrobes. A second floor bathroom is located on the upper level as well. This home has so much potential for its next and only second owner to make it their own. And just 5 houses away, enjoy Avis Park, complete with a playground, pickleball, and tennis courts, and scenic walking paths.
Thank you so much for previewing my newest listing in Sterling Heights. If any specific questions or want a private viewing, please contact me directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.